To create QR codes with Python, we have to install Qrcode library in Python. Now Qrcode library is installed. Data is a variable where we can add anything such as information, number, or links of page, which will open on scanning QR.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior.
Make function of Qrcode is used to generate QR code.
No humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was
While save function is used to save Qrcode in the form of file.
I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Thank you for watching.